Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at
Bithashex.
Bithashex is a new crypto and fiat exchange with integrated KYC and remittance. And I'm going to show you why it is great. What does it have to offer that other already major centralized exchanges don't have? So they are a fintech company extending cutting edge provisions on blockchain platform. What are their objectives? Financial growth to exceed 1 billion in the next 10 years, to increase revenue by 35% annually, to increase net profit by 20% annually. So they're planning to become major players in the centralized exchange game. And their objectives are to minimize the hassle and unnecessary limitations of bureaucracy and to build an easy-to-use, user-centric platform for mass adoption. So that brings you to this question: why have another exchange? Current exchanges, they suffer from the following major problems. They have poor technical architecture and insecure platforms. They have poor domain and technology experience, less feature for advanced traders and third-party applications, poor audits and maintenance. And this is why Bithashex was created, to solve these major issues, these major problems. So we have right here the world's top 3 crypto exchanges. So we have Binance, Huobi Global, and Coinbase Pro. So we're looking at a $20 billion for Binance, a $4.7 billion for Huobi Global, and a $3 billion for Coinbase Pro. And this is an opportunity. So the Bithashex exchange is a single potent solution as an answer to all the concerns. This exchange uses cutting-edge distributed design, security features, and very powerful matching engine to enable hassle-free scaling and smooth business operations. So it harnesses the power of machine learning and AI to further strengthen the security by the real-time tracking and analysis of transactions, withdrawals, and deposit of the cryptocurrencies. It provides fully equipped analytics subsystem to show data and metadata about the transactions, the orders, the deposits, and withdrawals. It is a very simple but very functional exchange. And what do they have that make them so great? They have some robust features. Some of them are copy trading, which enable traders on the market to automatically copy positions opened and managed by selected investor. So let's say there's a big investor and he's making a big play. You as a trader can enable copy trading to follow his trades for someone who is more experienced in the market than you are. So it is a very nice feature. Then we have another thing that for me is very important is the advanced order type. So we have limit market, spot limit, and spot market. It enables you to leave orders so you don't have to stay in front of the computer waiting for your order to be filled, which is always great. And it has a developer API with documentation. If you want to create any tools on top of it, they have an API for that. They also have market making, geofencing, and bot trading. All of these are very good things. Geofencing is, for example, as you know, some tokens or some countries don't allow you to trade certain tokens, or they don't allow trading at all. So this geofencing prevents specifically that. But something really cool that they have is this GID Matrix, which is the new standard of digital ID. So it's a digital identification, a revolutionary decentralized blockchain automated algorithm to simplify self-sovereign digital ID solutions for both business and users, and will be coming soon. And the great thing about this GID matrix, it is decentralized. So no company holds the entirety of the system. It is decentralized, so it prevents one, identity theft, two, from any other companies to sell your data to other companies or for them to be hacked and then hackers sell your information online. This prevents it. So being decentralized makes it a lot safer against these kind of attacks. And how does it work? Unlike traditional digital ID system, GID Matrix decentralized systems allow the user to trust a credential directly without needing to have a relationship with the institution of the credential. So what does that mean for users or for business? Let's look at users first because we are users. So it means there's no profiling, there's KYC onboarding, reduced identity theft, universal ecosystem, decentralized data, and secured and self-sovereignty. For business, what does it mean? Easy deployment. With the API that I was talking about, it is easy to deploy this data and interact with this GID matrix. Data storage and protection, fraud reduction, eliminate passwords, addressable share, and transaction monitoring. And this will be coming soon, and I think it will be a game changer, not only for Bithashex, but also for everyone who wants to have a safer digital ID system. You can see right here that it ensures privacy, trust, restricted use, and share of information. So the information will not be just laying there in the internet for everyone. So what will be the use case scenarios for the GID matrix? For example, for banking and DeFi platforms, you could use it for verification, for you to make a credit card or a risk profile or a vested benefit account. You could use the GID matrix for this sort of things, or as a social security number, a digital security number. And we have so much more use case scenarios. So they also have other products that are here to complement the ecosystem, the Bithashex ecosystem, which is a trading module, which is a community where investors and crypto enthusiasts connect to explore digital currency. Then we have the BEX token, which is an utility token based on the Binance Smart Chain's BEP20 with interchain transfer abilities. Then they have their own NFT platform, which encourage large-scale implementation of trade in digital assets across the world for the creation of one big global crypto community. Then we have the BEX Smart Card, a portable, secure storage for users' private keys and coins, supporting multiple security features via BEX Smart Cards. So it's like a cold storage, but in a form of a smart card. Then they have a distributed exchange, a complete platform for staking, pooling, and yield farming, which is always good to leave your money making passive income for you, along with a pluggable crypto payment gateway. So this is going to be it for Bithashex. Please make sure to check out their website, which is bithashex.com. So make sure to check out their website and for you to look at all these game-changing features they have that I'm sure will make them one of the biggest in the game, the biggest into the centralized exchange game. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.